Hi guys, welcome to Programming Academic channel. And today we are going to continue to learning how to create some measures. So let's get to start to creating measures. So we are going to create a tables, and then we create some kind of like a calculations. This means so we calculate from our data some. So we create our own table, and then we put to calculate from here to in our own tables. So that's the measures. So you have to create some kind of measures. So because you want to know about your data, how to analyze, right? Let's get to creating some measures. So guys, first come to your own home here, and then you see here enter data, right? So it's meaning you see here creating new tables. You see creating new table by typing or pasting the new content. So let's get to click here. Okay, you see column. So here our table name, we're going to create a measures. Our table name is measures. Let's upload. Okay, so let's look here. We already created measures, right? So how now we are going to right click and the new measure here. You see new measure. Okay, here we are going to create a to calculate our total revenue. Sum of total revenue. Okay, how to do it? Total by revenue. Okay, revenue. So total revenue equal to sum of uh, what revenue, sum of revenue by USD, and then to closing tag, then to enter call, and then go to again on measure. We're going to create a 5 measures. Okay, here we're going to create a guys total average. Okay. Average average revenue, average revenue, average revenue. We're going to use here average, average, again average revenue. We're going to use revenue by USD, closing tag. Cool. Creating now again we are going to insert one, get right click, new measure. Here guys we are going to calculate to find by transactions. So how we can go to find transactions? Let's go to total transactions to find the total transactions from our data. total uh, the sure, total transaction equal to count. So here we're using count count count. We say first name, your first name, because we want to find how many first name we want to find for each data, for each country, or for each row. So because we want to find the first name, right? So okay, so we have our final one. We are going to create our final measure. Come to here. So now we are going to find total by country. So we want to find the countries. How many countries we have? So we are going to find the total countries. Count total country. Count count by countries. Count by country. Closing tab. Yes, guys, we created four measures. See, we created here four measures. So now let's go to create here some kind of cards. On the top here, we are going to create cards. Let's go back to the home here. Okay, turn home here. Okay, let's go to get a card, guys. Card. Let's to make it small. Oh, right there. What happened? Support did something. Tap. Okay, now look good. Let's make it small. Okay, here let's go to put at first total revenue. So guys, so now we are going to format. How to format this one? Click here, come to here, guys. Go to general effect. don't want it to background and opening the borders and shadow. Let's go back. Now we want it bold and then color. Let's look. Okay. So just to change the color, it's so black. I think we want to use. Okay. Yes. This color is look. You Okay. Yeah. This one is look perfect. Yeah. Come to encoder ring. Also this one to change and this one and then to make bold. Yes. Uh, just to make a little bit smaller guys. You can see, everyone can see, right? Yes. That is look perfect, right? And let's go to my big guys to copy, just to paste 4 times. Yes, look perfect. So now we'll just come to here. We don't need this one. We want it to countries, and here we don't need this one. We want it total uh, average. And the last one, we don't want it this one. We want a transaction. Look guys, how simple to create your amazing or your dreams dashboard in very simple way how to create, right? So continue us to learning. And guys, if you are new here, like subscribe and you will never miss one of my tutorials like this. You are going to learning to become a master in data analyze or a master in data science. So you are going to find your dreams job. Bye for now.